Hello everyone. For this one we are taking this thread and you can see how we are building it over our fingers. You can even make use of the water bottle cleaners. Here this is a water bottle cleaner, then I am going to show you where you just have to trim it. You just have to repeat the process again as I am doing now. We are taking the green shade of this water bottle cleaner and then you can see how we are creating some of this type of the bowie type of the look. You just have to repeat it one after the another so that a circular flower shape is created. Once you are done with it, you just have to take it and you just have to fix it with the previously created one, and you just have to add some of the stock area. You can see for the stock we are again making use of the pipeline cleaner and again we are folding it. To this activity is somewhat difficult because it requires a lot of patience and so many steps are to be followed. Now with the help of the glue gun you just have to fix all the flower petals one after the another over the wire that is bendable as apparent on your screens. You can see how we are wrapping the whole flower with these petals. Just pause the video and follow the each step properly in a sequential manner and our rose is ready. It's so beautiful and it looks so great. Definitely give this one a try. You may require hot glue gun for this type of the activity. You can wrap it with the help of this green tape so that the body of the wire is hidden and it looks more natural. Let's now move further towards another activity. Here again we are taking this water clean bottle cleaners. You can see how we are folding it and creating these type of the petals. Now at the center we are inserting some of the sepals that are artificially created. You can see now we just have to build the whole flower over it. These are beautiful blossoms and they look so cute and so beautiful. We can insert some other shades of the color using the watercolor. You just have to repeat it again and again until so many flowers, we can say so many blossoms are created. Once all these are created, you just have to build it over this wrap cover, the wire, and you can see how we are with the help of the fingers twisting it so that to attain the perfect shape. Once you're done with it, you just have to place it properly over this type of the wire and you just have to cover it with the brown tape that's going to represent this beautiful twig. It looks so natural. Let's move further towards another activity. Water clean bottle is just twisted in this circular shape over the pen and then it's removed, and with the help of your fingers you just have to separate the each type of the hook that you have created at the center area. Once you're done with it, just give it a twist simultaneously so that a flower shape is attained. This looks so pretty. At the center we are placing some pom-poms. Let's move further. Take some of these cleaners and then trim them at the center and fold them, bend them accordingly so that you would be able to create a shape that's somewhat similar to the leaves. So here we are doing it repeatedly and then wrapping it with the help of the paper tape that's greenish in color so that it will look a natural leaf. You just have to repeat the same process again and again. Just pause the video and follow the each step properly in a sequential manner. If we talk about the difficulty level of this type of the activity, then it's simple. Let's move further with another activity. Here again we are taking some of the water bottle cleaners, trimming them at the center of the medium length. After that, bending them over our fingers and creating these circular type of the shapes. Then with the help of the scissors we are trimming it down so that the stalk is thin and then wrapping them around with the help of this paper tape that's greenish in color. You just have to take all these strands and fix them properly. This looks so beautiful. Definitely give this one a try. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.